Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to sincerely thank the Women in 6G for selecting our paper for this prestigious award and for giving me the opportunity to present our research work. My name is Sarah Swalihin and I am currently a PhD researcher in the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering at Inha University. My research focuses on 5G and 6G wireless communication, particularly in the areas of air-to-ground connectivity, satellite communication, and non-terrestrial networks. I'm especially interested in developing intelligent solutions for future 6G system, including interference management, Doppler compensation, resource allocation, trajectory optimization, link budget analysis, etc. During my PhD journey, I have published several research articles in internationally recognized journals and conferences related to next generation communication technologies and integrated terrestrial and non-terrestrial networks. Today, I am honored to present our research paper titled 6G Air-to-Ground Connectivity, a codebook-based framework for interference management, which has been published in IEEE Journal on Selected Areas in Communication, one of the most prestigious journal in the field of communication with an impact factor of 17.2. The motivation behind this research comes from growing demand for reliable and high capacity connectivity in future 6G network as aerial platforms such as airplanes and drones become increasingly integrated with terrestrial communication system. Managing interference between air and ground communication become critical challenge. Compared to the satellite communication, direct air to ground communication offers lower latency, higher throughput, and more efficient connectivity. However, when aerial users and terrestrial users share the same spectrum resources, severe co-channel interference occurs, especially in dynamic time division duplexing system when uplink and downlink transmissions are dynamically allocated based on traffic conditions. In our work, we specifically investigated the interference caused by aerial users which are in uplink mode to the terrestrial users which are in downlink mode, and this type of interference significantly degrades network performance, especially for users located near the cell edge. To address this issue, we propose a novel framework called CBIM, Codebook-Based Interference Mitigation Framework. The proposed framework introduces several innovative contributions. First, we designed sliding codebook based radio frame configuration mechanism that intelligently assign the uplink and downlink subframes according to the real traffic demand, as you can see in the figure 4. Secondly, we introduced the master selection using selection factor algorithm, which optimizes the cluster coordination by considering the factors such as a distance, residual energy, and a node degree. Third, we design the sliding codebook. We design a proposed. Third, we propose a dynamic subframe swapping mechanism that detects subframe misalignment between the aerial and the terrestrial communication and dynamically adjust the transmission slot to reduce the interference. As you can see in the figure, that after swapping, the interference is mitigated in a sufficient way. Finally, we evaluated the framework using extensive system-level simulation based on the realistic 3GPP channel models for air-to-ground communication. The simulation results clearly demonstrate the effectiveness of proposed framework. Our CBIM approach achieved more than 20% reduction in the interference, 28% improvement in the throughput, and a significant enhancement in SINR and outage performance compared to the existing state of the art techniques. These results show that the proposed framework can efficiently support future integrated terrestrial and non-terrestrial 6G communication system. The importance of this work lies in the practical relevance to future wireless network. As 6G move towards a fully connected, intelligent environment, seamless communication between ground network, aerial platforms, and non-terrestrial system will become essential. Applications such as in-flight connectivity, drone communication, emergency response systems, smart transportation, and autonomous aerial network all require highly reliable interference management solutions. Our proposed framework provides a scalable and flexible solution to these future scenarios and contributes toward enabling efficient and sustainable 6G air-to-ground integration. I believe this paper deserved the first prize prize award for several reasons. First, the research addresses a highly important and emerging challenge in 6G communication system that has not been sufficiently explored in previous studies. Second, the proposed framework is both novel and practical, combining theoretical modeling and realistic simulation-based validation. Third, the work demonstrates measurable improvements over existing interference mitigation methods and provides strong foundation for future research in terrestrial and non-terrestrial network integration. Thank you for your time and consideration. It is truly an honor for me to present this work, and I sincerely appreciate the opportunity to participate in this award evaluation process.